Yo, what is up, everybody, man? I'm your boy Elevated, man. It's Elevated Travels, man. You are out here on the first exploration ride on Fig with the chin mount. Very first. And we're gonna hang we usually would hang a left, but today we're gonna go ahead and make a right. Popeyes. Why am I going through the drive-thru? I have no idea. Anyway, we out here, man. So how you guys doing, man? Thanks for joining me on the first chin mount ride on Figueroa, man. Drop that like, drop that subscribe. It's a cloudy day, and it's gonna stay like this for a while, so I was like, well, hey man, when we out here in the elements, if this is the element, this is the element, man. If it's cloudy, it's cloudy. I still really appreciate the watch time, man, like seriously. At least quiet over here anyway. We're about to approach whoa, somebody is elevated right now. Where y'all at, man? What's good with it? Got some oranges popping off. How's it going? Look, man, no wind, no throttle, so I slow down. Somebody got it. I bet he be having fun at night. He just be out there, Dales. He just be out there, right? Right in the middle of it, bro. So this is the same broad. Hey, let's go. I'm out here, man. I'm not getting on this dirt. Holy Figueroa St. First chin mount video. You guys drop that like, drop that subscribe. That Tesla was real funny. See how it's fall on her face. I bet if she see me, she already know. Damn, she short as good. Ooh, I don't know what the hell they got going on over here, bro. But whatever it is, it ain't got nothing to do with me. But yeah, man, I'm telling you, man, I cannot wait until the winter. Me and the summer do not get along at all. You getting it in, I ain't mad at it. I might get demonetized if I show. Demonetized. I mean, I'm not even monetized. What the fuck I'm talking about? Well, I would like to get there one day. All right, let's go.